Welcome to another Ozzstar's Today's Fun Project. I got a quick one here for you today if you're not familiar with doing brakes or brake jobs. Show you this quick tip right here. I've got a BMW M3 behind me, but it doesn't matter what kind of car you're working on. This is about rotor runout, it's called. So if you step on the brakes and you're having a shimmy, you're having a pulsation, maybe the steering wheel shimmying, maybe both are happening. Anyway, the suspect would be the rotors, the front rotors. So let me show you here. So the pads squeeze the rotors, and basically, if you're not familiar, here's, I'll try to keep this steady. Here's your rotor, here's your brake caliper. Of course, I've got it off now. Here's your pads. Now these pads have plenty of meat, as it's called. There's plenty of friction material. The rotor itself looks really good. The thickness is good, but I have a what's called a dial indicator here. And you can pick these up relatively inexpensively. Right now it's magnetized. I have it attached to the strut, and I'm just going to spin this rotor like this, and what you do is you watch the gauge, and what I'm looking at is over 6 thousandths run out, which is going to definitely give you a pulsation. There goes my light. But anyway, you saw it, and if you have that much of a run out, which is basically the rotor's doing this, you know, more than 2 thousandths, you're probably going to start feeling it. Time to change the rotors out. Very few people cut rotors anymore. You can't have them turned, but pretty much you just replace them. This one's getting a set of Brembo rotors, new pads to go with it, and we'll be all set. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tip, fun tip, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching. Check out some of my other repair videos. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.